Let us see the second question. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work, and also the taken by 1 man alone. The solution is: let the total number of days taken by a woman be X, and the total number of days taken by a man be Y respectively. Therefore, the work done by a woman in 1 day equals 1 by X, and work done by a man in 1 day equals 1 by Y. Given that 2 women and 5 men can work together to finish an embroidery work in 4 days, it can be written as 4 into 2 by X plus 5 by Y equals 1. This implies that 2 by X plus 5 by Y equals 1 by 4, make it as equation 1. 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days, it can be written as 3 into 3 by X plus 6 by Y equals 1. This implies that 3 by X plus 6 by Y equals 1 by 3, make it as equation 2. Let P equals 1 by X, and Q equals 1 by Y. Substituting these values in equation 1, and equation 2, we can write equation 1. That is, 2 by X plus 5 by Y equals 1 by 4, as 2P plus 5Q equals 1 by 4. By cross-multiplying the denominator on right-hand side, we have 8P plus 20Q equals 1. This implies that 8P plus 20Q minus 1 equals 0, make it as equation 3. Also we can write equation 2. That is, 3 by X plus 6 by Y equals 1 by 3, as 3P plus 6Q equals 1 by 3. By cross-multiplying the denominator on right-hand side, we have 9P plus 18Q equals 1. This implies that 9P plus 18Q minus 1 equals 0, make it as equation 4. Now, we solve the equations 3 and 4 by using cross-multiplication method. Equation 3 is 8P plus 20Q minus 1 equals 0, and equation 4 is 9P plus 18Q minus 1 equals 0. Comparing equations 3 and 4 with the general form, that is, A1x plus B1y plus C1 equals 0. A2x plus B2y plus C2 equals 0. We have A1 equals 8, B1 equals 20, C1 equals minus 1 and A2 equals 9, B2 equals 18, C2 equals minus 1. We know that X is divided by B1 C2 minus B2 C1 equals Y is divided by C1 A2 minus C2 A1 equals 1 is divided by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So, now we can write it as P is divided by 20 into minus 1 minus 18 into minus 1 equals Q is divided by minus 1 into 9 minus 1 into 8 equals 1 is divided by 8 into 18 minus 9 into 20. This implies that P is divided by minus 20 plus 18 equals Q is divided by minus 9 plus 8 equals 1 is divided by 144 minus 180. This implies that P is divided by minus 2 equals Q is divided by minus 1 equals 1 is divided by minus 36. Now we can write P by minus 2 equals 1 by minus 36. By cross-multiplying the denominator on left-hand side, we have P equals minus 2 by minus 36. This implies that P equals 1 by 18. Similarly, we can write Q by minus 1 equals 1 by minus 36. By cross-multiplying the denominator on left-hand side, we have Q equals minus 1 by minus 36. This implies that Q equals 1 by 36. We know that P equals 1 by X, and Q equals 1 by Y. Then we get 1 by 18 equals 1 by X. This implies that X equals 18, and similarly, 1 by 36 equals 1 by Y. This implies that Y equals 36. The values of X and Y are X equals 18, and Y equals 36. Therefore, The total number of days taken by a woman equals 18 days, and the total number of days taken by a man equals 36 days. By substituting the values of x and y in the given equations, both the equations will be satisfied.